Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can use UpBase for planning and organizing conferences. So step one is to log into your UpBase account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create one. It's free. This is important because UpBase is where all the magic happens. It's your command center for conference planning. After you're logged in, move on to step two, which is setting up your conference. You'll see a Create Event button on the dashboard. Click on that. This creates a central place in UpBase where you can manage all aspects of your conference. Next up, step three is inviting your team. This is done by clicking on the Invite Team button and entering their email addresses. Remember, conferences are a team effort, and UpBase allows everyone to be on the same page. Now that we've done that, we move on to step four, creating tasks. Click on Add Task and start creating tasks for everything that needs to be done. This helps us because it breaks down the daunting task of planning a conference into manageable chunks. The final step, step five, is setting deadlines. UpBase has a great feature where you can set deadlines for all your tasks. The reason we do this is to keep everyone on track and ensure that everything gets done on time. Let me explain why this matters. Planning and organizing conferences is a complex process, and UpBase helps you stay organized and efficient. It puts all your tasks, deadlines, and team communications in one place, making the process smoother. And that's it. You've now got the basics of using UpBase for conference planning. Of course, there's a lot more you can do with UpBase, but these are the key steps to get you started. Remember, the key to a successful conference is organization, and UpBase is the tool to help you achieve that. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy planning.